What would you do if you lose your job today? The stream of income that you have, what if it goes away? What would you do? I asked this question to myself in 2016 and 2017, and I was really worried and like, man, what am I doing? I'm putting my whole family at risk. What is the backup? What would you do? A lot of people will say, you know what, I'm going to find another job, and then another job, and another job. When would this worry of what if things don't work out? When would this worry end? When would this stop? The answer is never. It'll only stop when you do something different, right? If you keep doing the job, your life will still be the same. But the question is, Dev, what do I do different? My name is Dev Gadhvi. I'm India's first Passionpreneur mentor, twice best-selling author, became a multi-millionaire in just few years of starting my business. Now, I did not know anything how to start the business, how to grow a business, and I was in a job. Today, I am not worried because I've built multiple streams of income, found my passion, and I have abundance in my life. I'm not worried. If one stream goes away, I have multiple streams of income. You see, a lot of people are not so fortunate. In fact, 80% of people are stuck in a job, don't know what they're doing, they don't enjoy what they're doing, they don't have financial security, they don't have financial abundance. If you are one of them, I have a great news for you. I have the mission. I want to help people to find their passion and convert that into a business. I want to generate millions of first generation 𝘀𝗵𝗿𝗲𝗍. This is my passion because I was stuck. I did not know what to do in life. This is your opportunity. Click the link, join the webinar that I share with you exact step-by-step process on how you can go from job to building the life of your dreams so that you never have to worry about the job. This is Dev Gadhvi. I'll see you in the webinar.
In the lowest point of my life, but because of Dev sir and his words, I am here right now and I overcome that point.
My perspective towards seeing the business has changed. It's no more making money, but it's more like serving peoples.
People who haven't yet tasted the Passionpreneur movement or the blood, guys, you don't know what living life is all about yet.